Hello again. Today we are going to be reading about WordPress. Okay, so here we are, WP Beginner. How to make a WordPress website in 2024 Ultimate Guide. Okay, we see when it was last updated. Last updated on January 26, 2024 by their editorial staff. Okay, let's go down. All right, here we go. Are you looking to make a website? Starting a website can be a terrifying thought, especially when you're not techie. Don't worry, you're not alone. Having helped over 400,000 people make a website with WordPress, we have decided to create the most comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to create a WordPress website without learning how to code. This guide is useful for users of all ages and skill levels. However, if you need help, then you can contact our expert team to help you set up your website for free. And it says click here to get your free WordPress website set up. And I think in there you just need an email. You can give them any number you want to, and they'll email you the actual setup, the free WordPress website setup. If you want to do it by yourself, then please continue with the post, our beginner-friendly guide on how to make a website. Here's an overview from start to finish of all the steps we'll walk you through in this guide. How to find and register a domain name for free, how to choose the best web hosting, how to install WordPress, installing a template and customizing your site's design, creating pages in WordPress, customizing WordPress with add-ons and extensions, resources to learn WordPress and get support, taking it further, building websites with more features, e-commerce stores, membership sites, selling online courses, and more. Before we start creating a website, let's cover some of the most commonly asked questions that we get. First, no, you do not need to be a web developer to create a custom website. Our guide is written for non-techie users, and we will show you a no-code solution to create a website. With that said, let's look at all the things you need to build a website. What do I need to build a website? You'll need the following three things to start your WordPress site. A domain name. This is the name of your website, such as google.com. WordPress hosting. This is where your website files are stored. 45 minutes of your undivided attention. How much does a WordPress website cost? The answer to this question really depends on what kind of website you are trying to build. We have written a comprehensive 3,000 word guide explaining how much does it really cost to build a website. A typical personal website can cost as low as $100. The cost of a business website can range from anywhere between $100 per year to as high as $30,000 per year. Wow. We recommend all our users to start small and then add more features to your website as your business grows. In this way, you will save money and minimize potential losses while avoiding overspending. In this guide, we'll show you how to build a website for less than $100. We will also show you how to take it further by adding more features to it in the future. Which is the best website builder platform? There are many website builders available that will help you set up a website. We recommend using self-hosted WordPress as your website platform. WordPress is the most popular website platform in the world. It powers nearly 43% of all websites on the internet. WordPress is free, open source, and comes with thousands of pre-built website designs and extensions. It is extremely flexible and works with almost every third-party tool and service available to website owners. We use WordPress to build all our websites, including this one, WP Beginner. How to make the most of this website design tutorial. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a website. We have divided it into different steps, and we'll walk you through everything from start to finish. Just follow along the instructions and you'll have a professional looking website in the end. We will also point you in the right direction on how to take your website to the next level based on your needs. Have fun creating your WordPress website. Remember, if you need help, you can contact us and we will set up your website for free. Let's get started. Now, these are videos. You guys can, like I said, I gave you where I got this from. And it's an ultimate guide from WP Beginner, basically how to make your website step by step, ultimate guide. Just look that up and you'll find it. I think that was the title. But we're not gonna look at the videos. I'm gonna let you guys do that. And if I do need to make another video that actually looks at videos while we're reading, and I can do that. But right now we're gonna keep reading. Okay, here we go. If you prefer written instructions, then please continue reading. Step 1, website setup. One of the most common mistakes that beginners make is choosing the wrong website platform. Thankfully, you are here so you will not be making that mistake. For most users, a self-hosted WordPress.org site is a perfect solution. It comes with thousands of designs and add-ons which allow you to create any kind of website you can think of. For more on this topic, please see our guide on why you should use WordPress. WordPress is free for anyone to download and use to build any kind of website without any restrictions. If WordPress is free, then where is the cost coming from? WordPress is free because you'll have to arrange your own custom domain name and web hosting provider, which costs money. For more on this topic, see our article, Why is WordPress Free? A domain name is your website's address on the internet. This is what your users will type in their browser to reach your site, for example, wpbeginner.com or google.com. Next, you'll need website hosting. All websites on the internet need a web host to store their website's files. This will be your website's home on the internet. A domain name typically costs $14.99 a year, and hosting costs start from $7.99 a month. This is a lot for most people who are just starting out. Thankfully, Bluehost has agreed to offer our users a free domain name and over 60% off on web hosting. And click there to claim this exclusive Bluehost offer. Since Bluehost is one of the largest hosting companies in the world, they are also an official WordPress recommended hosting partner. They have been working with WordPress since 2005 and are committed to give back to the community. That's why they have promised us that if you cannot set up your website by following this tutorial, then our expert team will complete the process for you without any cost. And they will compensate us so you don't have to. Feel free to contact us for free website setup help. Note, at WP Beginner, we believe in transparency. If you purchase hosting using our referral link, then we will get a small commission at no additional cost to you. In fact, you will get a discount on hosting plus free SSL plus a free domain name. We would get this commission for recommending any WordPress hosting company, but we only recommend products that we personally use and believe will add value to our readers. Let's go ahead and purchase a domain name and hosting. First, you'll need to go to the Bluehost website in a new browser window and click on the green Get Started Now button. And this will bring you to a pricing page where you will need to choose a hosting plan for your website. Basic and Plus plans are the most popular choices among our users. Now, I don't know if you can see that. Let's zoom in for you. Basic and Plus, Choice Plus, Pro. Alright, remember this was updated recently this year, so hopefully this picture was also updated, but you see that. Okay, let's go back. Alright, you need to click on select to choose a plan that you like and continue to the next step. On the next screen, you'll be asked to select a new domain name. Alright, so let me show you what that looks like. It says your domain will be your website's address. You can create a new domain, use one you already know, or make one later. Okay, create a new domain there. See that? Use a domain you own. Okay. Ideally, you should stick to a .com domain name. Make sure it is related to your business, easy to pronounce and spell, and easy to remember. Need help with choosing domain name or for your website? See these tips and tools on how to choose the best domain name. After choosing your domain name, click on the next button to continue. Now you'll be asked to provide your account information such as name, address, email, etc. On this screen, you will also see optional extras you can purchase. We generally don't recommend purchasing these extras. You can always add them later on if you decide that you need them. See what they're talking about. Got package information. Okay, you got account plan, WordPress basic hosting, got service term, 12 months, $2.75 per month. Hosting price. Okay, these are by the month, so $33. $2.75, 12 months. Okay. Primary domain, free. Primary domain registration is free. Let's Encrypt SSL, free. Okay. Then we got package extras. Got domain privacy plus protection. Okay, so it says 99 cents per month, billed annually at $11.88 a year. Okay, they got more information. Code Guard Basic is $2.99 per month, billed annually at $35.88 per year. Single domain SSL is $3.33 per month, billed annually at $39.96 per year. You got Site Lock Essentials is $2.99 per month, is billed annually at $35.88 per year. And then we have Google Workspace Business Starter, which is $3 or was $6 per month, billed annually at $36 a year. I have more information on that as well, and it seems to have said it is 50% off. That's why it is $3. Yoast Premium SEO is $2.99 per month, billed annually at $35.88 per year, and that has more information. Savings. Now let's look at this. It has a total. Okay. Savings is $98.88. We have 74% off, and the total is $33. Okay. Now, what else is talking about? It says next you will add your payment information to finish the purchase. After completing a purchase, you will receive an email with details on logging into your web hosting control panel, cPanel. This is your hosting account dashboard where you manage everything like getting support, setting up emails, etc. Most importantly, this is where you'll install WordPress. Step 2. Install WordPress. When you sign up with Bluehost using our link, they will automatically install WordPress for you. They launched this one-click WordPress installer to make it easier for non-techie users to create their websites. What this means is you simply need to log into your Bluehost account and then click the login to WordPress button to get started. This setup process has reduced the learning curve needed to make a website. Okay, you see this picture? Hope you guys can see this picture clearly. Let me zoom in a little bit more so you know what to expect when you get there for those who are interested in making their own websites. You can also log into WordPress dashboard by going to your site.com WP admin directly from your browser. So you insert the name of your actual website and you pick if it's a .com or whatever it is, and then you pick WP admin. As you see it, you just want to reinsert the name of your website. Okay, and it's important to pick the WP admin with the how you see it, WP admin, so you can get directly to you from your browser. So it says you can also log into WordPress dashboard by going to yoursite.com WP admin directly from your browser. Okay, your Bluehost account can also be used to create multiple websites. Simply go to the My Sites section and use a one-click WordPress installer to make additional websites. If you are using a different WordPress website hosting service like SiteGround, Hostinger, HostGator, WP Engine, etc., then you can see our comprehensive guide on how to install WordPress for step-by-step instructions for those providers. Once WordPress is set up, you're ready to customize your website design by selecting a new template and creating new pages. Wasn't that easy? Now, let's move on to the next step and choose a design for your website. Step 3. Select your theme. A WordPress theme controls the visual appearance of your WordPress site. WordPress themes are professionally designed templates you can install on your websites to change its appearance. By default, each WordPress site comes with a basic theme. If you visit your website, then it will look something like this, okay? Here we go. Let me zoom in, just make sure you guys can see clearly for those that need to. You want to know what that is? It's not popping up. Alright, but I don't think that's you get the point. So this is not very appealing to most users, but don't worry, there are thousands of free and paid WordPress themes or templates, themes that you can install on your site. You can change a WordPress theme for your website from the admin dashboard. Visit the Appearance Themes page and click the Add New button. Okay, that's cool. On the next screen, you can search from 11,000 plus free WordPress themes available in the official WordPress.com themes directory. You can sort them by popular, latest, featured, and other feature filters, i.e. industry, layout, etc. Look at this. Ooh, look at that. Definitely something like that. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, let's go back. Need help choosing a theme? Check out our list of these awesome free WordPress business themes and our pick of the best premium themes for WordPress. For the sake of this guide, we'll be using Astra. It is a popular multi-purpose free WordPress theme with flexible design options for all kinds of websites. If you want to create a completely custom WordPress theme, we recommend using the Seed Prod Builder for WordPress. We have created a detailed tutorial on creating a custom WordPress theme without writing any code. How to install a theme in WordPress. Ooh. If you know the name of the free theme you want to install, you can look for it by entering it in the search field. WordPress will show you the theme in search results. You will need to take your mouse over to the theme and then click on the install button. Once you have installed your theme, you can customize it by clicking on the custom link under the appearance menu. Zoom in. Guess that's it right there. So see where we went. Here. Okay, hold on. Add themes up. Okay. See, just pay attention to everything. All right. It says once you have installed your theme, you can customize it by clicking on the customize link under the appearance menu. This will launch the theme customizer, where you will be able to change your theme settings with live review of your website. Okay, let's look at this. So when we get there, we're not. Okay, look. All right, this is Astra. Okay. If you're using one of the newer full site editing themes, you will see a different version of the site customizer that can be found at the editor link under appearance. Okay. However, keep in mind that neither the default WordPress customizer nor the full site editor offer a true drag and drop customization experience. This is why many website professionals and small business owners choose to use a WordPress page builder plugin like SeedProd to customize anything, to update fonts, change styles, colors, and other items to match your website needs. You can even create a fully custom WordPress theme without any code. Look at this. See that? Alright. Remember, you don't need to finalize all theme settings right away. You can customize it much better once you have some content on your website. Alright. Related, see our ultimate guide on how to edit a WordPress website for step-by-step instructions. Let's see how to add content to your WordPress site. Alright. Step 4. Add content to your website. WordPress comes with two default content types called posts and pages. Posts are part of the blogging functionality and appear in reverse chronological order. Newer items are displayed first. On the other hand, pages are meant to be static, one-off type content such as your about page, contact page, privacy policy, custom landing page, etc. By default, WordPress shows your blog posts on the front page of your website. You can change that and make WordPress show any static page as a home page of your website. We'll show you how to do that later in this guide. You can create a separate page for your blog or news section to show your recent posts. Okay. Alternatively, you can create a website without any blog section at all. Let's add some content to your website. You'll start by adding a few pages to your WordPress site. Don't worry if you don't have enough content for these pages. You can always edit and update them. Head over to Pages, add new page in WordPress admin area. This will bring you to the page editor screen, which will look similar to this, depending on your theme. So take a look at this. Let's zoom in and look at it. Alright, first you need to provide a title for your page. Let's call this page Home. After that, you can add content in the text editor below. You can add text, links, images, embedded videos, audio, etc. After adding content to your page, you can click the Publish button to make it live on your website. You can repeat the process by adding more pages for different website sections. For example, an About page, Contact Us, and a blog page to display blog posts. Now let's add a few blog posts as well. Head over to the Posts, Add New in your WordPress admin area, where you will see a screen like you saw earlier when adding pages. Alright, again, head over to Posts, Add New, and I guess this is what it looks like this is what it looks like in your WordPress admin area, where you will see a screen like you saw earlier when adding pages. Okay, you can add a post title and content in the visual post editor. You'll also notice some extra options in the sidebar, like post formats, categories, and tags. You can click on the Save button to store your post as a draft, or the Publish button to make it visible on your site. Yes. For more detailed instructions on utilizing all these options in post and page edit screens, please see our guide on adding a new page in WordPress. Step 5. Customizing and tweaking your website. Now that you have created some content for your website, you'll be able to customize and put it all in an excellent, presentable shape for your users. Let's start by setting up a static front page or home page. Setting up a static front page, visit the settings reading page in your WordPress admin dashboard under the front page displays option. Click on the static front page and then select pages you created earlier for your home and blog pages. Okay. Look at that. Don't forget to click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to store your changes. WordPress will now use the page titled Home as your site's front page and blog page to display your blog posts. Change site title and tagline. During the installation, you'll get to choose your site's title. Optionally, you can also choose to add a short tagline to describe your website. You can change your site's title and tagline at any time by visiting the Settings General page. So again, you can change your site's title and tagline at any time. So the site's title and tagline any time by visiting the Settings General page. Let's go look at what we're talking about. Setting General, site title, tagline. So I guess the title is different from the actual WordPress address URL or the site's address. Okay, your site Your site title would be the name of your website. Like WP Beginner, the tagline is usually a single line that describes your website. You can also leave the tagline field blank because WordPress SEO plugins like AIO SEO, Yoast SEO, and others will override it for better search engine optimizations. More on this later. Don't forget to click the Save Changes button to store your settings. Set up comment settings. WordPress has a built-in comment system allowing users to leave comments on your posts. This is great for WordPress user engagement, but it is also targeted by spammers. You'll need to enable comment moderation on your websites to deal with this. Visit the settings discussions page and scroll down to the before a comment appears. So it says visit the settings discussions page and scroll down to the before a comment appears section. So before comment appears section. Check the box next to the comment must be manually approved option. Let's go down and see what it's talking about. Settings, discussion. Okay. Before comment appears, comment must be manually approved. Comment author must have a. Okay. All right, let's see that. All right, good. And don't forget to click the Save Changes button to store your settings. Adding navigation menus in WordPress. Navigation menus allow users to browse different pages of sections on your website. WordPress has a powerful navigation menu system, and your WordPress theme uses it to display the menus. Again, navigation menus. See this navigation menu right here. Home, services, contact, blog, home, services, contact, blog. Okay. All right. Depending on your WordPress theme, there are two ways to create and edit navigation menus in WordPress. 1. Create navigation menus in classic themes. If you are using a classic WordPress theme, then you will be able to visit the appearance menus page. So again, if you are using classic WordPress theme, you'll be able to do that. So you will be able to visit appearance menus page. Again, classic WordPress theme. So go to appearance, menus, menu name, main menu, create menu. Okay, from here, enter a name for your navigation menu and click the blue create menu button. WordPress will now create an empty navigation menu. Next, select the pages you want to display in your menu and click the add to menu button. And so look at this. You will notice your selected pages filling the empty area of your navigation menu. You can move these menu items up and down to rearrange their position on the menu. Alright. Now you need to select the display location. Your WordPress theme defines these locations. Usually most WordPress themes have a primary menu in your website header at the top. Finally, click on the Save Menu button to store your navigation menu. You can now visit your website to see the menu in action. Creating navigation menus in Site Editor. Okay, so this is the next one. Alright, so 2. Creating navigation menu in Site Editor. Okay. If you are using a block-based WordPress theme, then you can add navigation menus by visiting the Appearance Editor page. Click on the area where you want to add or edit the menu, and WordPress will open it for editing. Okay, this stuff here. Okay. It's interesting. All right. Alternatively, you can choose a template where you want to add the menu from the left column. Most websites usually place navigation menus in the header template. In the site editor, click the Add plus New Block button and add the navigation block. All right, let's look at this. Navigation. I don't know that. Collection of blocks allow visitors to get around your site. Okay, after that, click on the Add plus button under Navigation Block Settings under the right column. Okay. After that, select Page Link to add a link to the post, page, or category on your website. Yeah, right, that's block style. Let's see, page link. Yeah, of course. Okay. You can move items up and down by moving them in the menu. Once you are finished, don't forget to click on the Save button to store your changes. For more detailed instructions, see our beginner's guide on how to add a navigation menu in WordPress. Step 6. Installing plugins in WordPress. WordPress plugins are like apps for your WordPress site. They allow you to add features and customizations to your WordPress site. Think of contact forms, photo galleries, etc. Okay. You can install plugins from your WordPress dashboard by clicking on the plugins page. There are currently more than 59,000 free plugins available for WordPress. There are also paid plugins sold by third-party websites and developers. With this many plugins, how do you find which plugins to install? We got you covered there as well. So they got you covered there as well. See our guide on how to choose the best WordPress plugin. Yeah. So they have a lot of links here, man. You can learn really how to make your own WordPress, or you can hire somebody else to do it. Either way, this is very good for people like who aren't like code based, like who aren't web developers, who don't know HTML, who don't know CSS, or who don't know JavaScript or Python or any of those programming language, right? So this is CMS, it's content management system as well, and then there's some more things that we'll talk about. We're gonna read this first, right? So let's get back to this, and again, we just got finished reading about plugins, installing plugins in WordPress, and we're going to continue. So again, here is our list of essential plugins you should install on your site immediately. All of them are free. Features. All right, here we go. WP Forms Lite allows you to add a contact form on your WordPress site. All professional websites display their contact information on the same page as their contact form. You can even accept payments using WP Forms Lite without any additional setup. Monster Insights connect your website with Google Analytics and see how visitors find and use your website, so you can keep them coming back. Okay, so that's Monster Insights. Seed Prod, drag and drop page builder for creating completely custom designs and layouts without any technical know-how. Okay, that's good to know. All right, website optimization. All-in-one SEO. Improve your WordPress SEO and get more traffic from Google. The next one is WP Super Catch, free WordPress catching plugin that helps improve your website speed. Good. Push Engage. It helps increase website traffic by letting you connect with visitors after they leave your website. Push notifications are the top 5 traffic sources for WP beginners. Security. Updraft Plus or Duplicator. Create automatic schedule backups of your website. Securi, or I think that's how you say it. Securi, website security audit and malware scanner. Oof, that's important. Malware scanner, yes, very important to have those type of cyber security things going on in your website and being able to secure your website with these things. So it says again, Updraft Plus or Duplicator. All right, so you see what that's doing? Create automatic schedule backups of your website, and then you have security, right? Malware scanner. Extras include WP Simple Pay for rarely accepting credit card payments in WordPress. WooCommerce, create an e-commerce website with WordPress. It makes setting up an online store and selling physical products easily. Wow. Definitely need to be thinking about that. MemberPress. Make it easy to create and sell online courses and digital memberships. Smash Balloon. Makes it easy to add social media widgets for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Opt-in Monster helps you get more email subscribers and optimize your website conversation rate with dynamic pop-ups, modals. That's an A, not an E. Okay. And other intelligent personalization features. Now, what is that? We will definitely be looking at in our spare time what that is. All right, HubSpot. Add free live chat for providing customer support, email marketing for newsletters, and CRM to your WordPress website. Work seamlessly with Opt-in Monster. Uncanny Automator helps you set up automated workflows to streamline your small business workflows and save time. WP Mail SMTP fixes WordPress email deliverability issues with PHP mail configurations on managed WordPress hosting providers. And then we have this thing right here, Envira Gallery Light. Add beautiful image galleries to your WordPress site. Need help installing plugins? See our step-by-step guide on how to install a WordPress plugin. For more plugin recommendations, check out our list of must-have WordPress plugins for business websites. Step 7: Mastering WordPress. WordPress is easy to use, but also an extremely powerful content management system. Occasionally, you may find yourself looking for some quick WordPress help. The good news is that there are plenty of free WordPress help available. See our guide on how to properly ask for WordPress support and get it. WP Beginner itself is the largest WordPress resource site on the internet. You will find the following resources on WP Beginner. All of them are entirely free. So we have WP Beginner blog. This is where we publish our WordPress tutorials, how-tos, and step-by-step guides. WP Beginner videos. These step-by-step videos will help you learn WordPress fast. WP Beginner on YouTube. Need more video instructions? Subscribe to our YouTube channel with more than 292,000 subscribers and 40 million plus views. I thought I was about to say videos. That's a lot. WP Beginner Dictionary. Oh wow, the best place for beginners to start and familiarize themselves with the WordPress lingo. WP Beginner Blueprint. Check out the plugins, tools, and services we use on WP Beginner to help grow our business online. WP Beginner Deals. What is this? Exclusive discounts on WordPress products and services for WP Beginner users. And we have not last but not least, actually is the last one, I think. WP Beginner Engage Group. Connect with our WordPress experts and other like-minded website owners. Over 94,000 members. Here are a few of our guides that you should bookmark right away. It will save you lots of time and money in the future. Okay, so you see it has most common WordPress errors and how to fix them. Great. Beginner's Guide to Troubleshooting WordPress Errors. How to fix common image issues in WordPress. The Ultimate WordPress Security Guide step by step. Wow, that's a good one. Ultimate WordPress SEO Guide for Beginners step by step. If all of that is not enough, you can always take a look at our expert pick list of blogs about WordPress you should read and follow. Many of our users use Google search to find answers on WP Beginner. Simply type keywords for what you are looking for and add wpbeginner.com at the end. Can find an answer? Send your question directly using our contact form and we will try our best to answer. Step 7. Taking it further. And so far, we have shown you how to make a WordPress website. Add a new theme, add new web pages, and install essential plugins. Want to take it even further? Using WordPress, you can create powerful niche websites capable of doing much more. Add an e-commerce store, start your own podcast, create a membership website, create a web directory, create a coupons website, build a reviews website, create multilingual websites, create a job board website, and create a question and answer website, create a wiki knowledge-based website. For more examples, check out our list of 19 types of websites you can create with WordPress. And now we have these frequently asked questions, FAQs, right? And there's a lot of questions up here. Um, and I guess we can read it. This is the last section. And again, remember, this is about really what it takes to really create a WordPress website. This is a read on what it takes to create a WordPress website. I just wanted to read this to you guys just in case maybe you didn't feel like reading alone, didn't want to read it at all and wanted to listen to it, or whatever it is that you guys do to make sure that you can inspire yourself to actually get done whatever it is that you set out to do, whatever you plan to do, whatever you choose to do with your time management. All right, so frequently asked questions, FAQs. Having helped thousands of people start a website, we have answered quite a lot of questions. Below are the questions, the most frequently asked questions about creating a website. And is WordPress the only way to create a website? No. There are a lot of other website builders out there, such as web.com, Wix, GoDaddy, etc. But we believe that WordPress is the best and easiest platform to build a website that works on both desktop and mobile devices. That sounds really great. Other industry experts agree with us, which is why over 43% of all websites use WordPress. Can you build a website from scratch with WordPress? Yes. You absolutely can use WordPress to build a completely custom website from scratch using a no-code drag and drop page builder plugin like Seed Prod. How much traffic can WordPress handle? WordPress can handle virtually unlimited website traffic, depending on your hosting platform and caching setup. We have written a detailed guide on how much traffic WordPress can handle, along with expert scaling tips. How do I make money from my website? After helping users create a website, this is by far the most commonly asked question. There are a lot of ways to make money online from your website, okay? And here's another link. It says we have a list of 30 ways to make money online using WordPress. These aren't get rich quick schemes. If you're looking for a way to get rich quick by making money online, then sorry to break the news. Then sorry to break the bad news. There's no such way. Things do take time. Anything is possible that you can think of, as long as you have a plan and you execute it. You can do anything that you can think of. How do I start a website where I can sell products? Okay. You can easily add an online store to your WordPress website. We have created a list of the best e-commerce plugins for WordPress. You can also follow our step-by-step guide on how to start an online store. While there are many other e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, etc., we recommend using the WooCommerce plugin for WordPress. It gives you more user-friendly features at an even more affordable price. This is why WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce platform in the market. If you're looking to sell digital products, then we recommend using Easy Digital Downloads. This is what we use to sell our digital products in WordPress. Do I need to know HTML, CSS to create and customize my website? No, you don't need to know how to use HTML and CSS to build a website with WordPress. You can use one of the many drag and drop WordPress page builder plugins to easily customize your web design. We recommend using SeedProd because it lets you create completely custom WordPress themes from scratch without any code. How can I start a website for free? Some website builders may offer free options, but we strongly recommend against using those website building solutions. Often they will insert their advertisements on your website, which doesn't look professional and offer a terrible user experience. It's always better to purchase your own domain name and hosting. so you have full ownership of your website. See what is the difference between domain name and web hosting. Can I start a website like eBay? Yes, you can easily create a website like eBay using an auction plugin for WordPress. We have a step-by-step guide on how to build an online auction website using WordPress that you can follow. Can I get a free domain for my website? Yes. Some web hosting companies offer a free domain if you choose to start a website with them. Bluehost is an officially recommended WordPress hosting provider, and they're offering WP beginner users free domain plus 60% off hosting if you choose to build your website using their service. With that said, you can always register a domain name separately from a popular domain registrar and then purchase web hosting from a different hosting company like SiteGround or WP Engine. Can I create a website like Facebook? Yes, you can absolutely use WordPress to turn your website into a social network. We have a step-by-step guide on how to make a website like Facebook using WordPress. Now that is a good article right there. Wow. Y'all should go look at that one. I would love to click on it, but right now we're focusing on this. Can I start a website with a discussion board form? The answer again is yes. You can use one of these form plugins in WordPress to build a website with discussion board features. What's the difference between WordPress.com versus WordPress.org? Great question. When we mention WordPress in our tutorial, we're talking about the popular self-hosted WordPress.org platform. It's the most powerful open source software that you always hear about. WordPress.com is a limited blog hosting service. They have recently expanded their platform to offer website and e-commerce plans with custom domains, but they are far more expensive compared to other WordPress hosting services like Bluehost or SiteGround. For more details, see our detailed comparison chart of WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. Another FAQ. I accidentally started my site with WordPress.com or another website builder. Can I switch? Yes, you can always switch your website to WordPress. Oftentimes, beginners make the mistakes of using the wrong website builder and then realizing that those platforms don't have all the features they need. We have written detailed tutorials on how to properly migrate from other website builders to WordPress. The most important part is to make sure that the permalinks URL structure moves over seamlessly so you don't lose SEO rankings. Here are our detailed tutorials on how to move your website to WordPress. Wow. So how to properly move from WordPress.com to WordPress.org, how to move from Blogger to WordPress without losing rankings, how to move from Wix to WordPress step by step, how to move from Weebly to WordPress beginner's guide, how to easily move from the Medium to WordPress, how to properly move from Squarespace to WordPress. Oh, that's a good question too. Again, how do I grow my online presence? Here's another FAQ. Now that you have created your new website, it's time to grow your online presence and get more traffic. We have created an ultimate guide with over 27 actionable tips to drive traffic to your new WordPress site. The most important advice we give to small business owners is to immediately start building an email list. Email marketing allows you to stay in touch with website visitors and customers after they leave your website. It's proven to have a 4,300% ROI on investment. Okay. Here is our comparison of the best email marketing services for small business. We hope this guide helped you learn how to make a website without hiring a web designer or overspending money. You may also want to see our tutorial on how to create a professional business email address and our comparison of the best business phone services for small businesses. If you like this article, then please subscribe to their YouTube channel or to my YouTube channel and listen to me read this for WordPress video tutorials. You can also find us on Twitter, including me, and I'm also on Facebook. So this is their links. And yeah, that's it for this. I hope you guys learned something. And we definitely will be getting to making WordPress websites, especially in the year that we're in now. So this is the ultimate guide. Hope you guys have learned something. I hope this adds value to your life. We're out. We'll see you next time on the next read. Peace.